guys, John Wood, Regional Landscape Director for the West. Just wanted to show you real quick the easiest way to clean a bull grill. Alright, if you'll come in, bull grills can be taken apart in about 1 minute. I'll show you how. Just make sure your gas is off, lift the grates out, like so. The next part of the grill is the burner tents. These all lift off here, just like this. Set in a bucket of cleaning detergent. The next thing, we'll go ahead and zoom in here, is lift out your burners. We want to make sure that the screen on the burner is clean, and then make sure each one of our ports, we'll just need to knock the debris out of it. We don't need to put this in the water. If you see any debris in here, you can take a straight pin or cotter pin and just push into each one of the burners and just make sure any debris is out. If your burner will not come out, it's because it has a cotter pin right here on it. It's preventing it from lifting up. You just go under the grill, remove that cotter pin, and your burners will all lift out. And no need to put that cotter pin back in. That's just for shipping. You can remove your burners, like so, clean each one. Then underneath the burners is a grate here for the drip pan. You can lift those out, set in your bucket, right here. And then last thing is the drip pan. And this is the last thing. This is how to take apart your grill. One very good trick of what this property is doing is putting aluminum foil on the drip pan. Then all you have to do when the grease comes down here each morning, take the aluminum foil off, wad it up, throw it in the trash can, put new aluminum foil down. Okay? And then just wipe clean. Okay, you put the grill back together. The drip pan slides in. Just take your brush, your cleaning solution. Dawn dishwashing detergent does good. Or Simple Green barbecue cleaner in your bucket. Scrub all your utensils down. And next set these back in. Clean burners just go right back in the holes right here. Again, just make sure it's good and clean on the screen. Then back with your grates over the top. There, as you can see, you can take apart and put back together a bull grill in about 3 minutes. Use your Simple Green barbecue cleaner when the grill's taken apart to scrub and clean the insides of the grill. Thank you. Take your grill apart, set the parts inside a Home Depot bucket with Dawn dishwashing liquid. Scrub each part, put back on the grill. Process should take no more than 10 minutes if done each day. If you align the drip pan with aluminum foil at each cleaning, all you have to do is throw the aluminum foil away. There's no grease to clean up. Just line it each time with aluminum foil. If your grill is very dirty, use Simple Green barbecue cleaner. This next video is to show you what to do if your bull grill will not light. We'll show you how to access the valve, clean the ignition point, and replace the valve if needed. To access the burners and the igniters, unscrew 2 bolts on each side of the knob panel. To access the valve, remove the knob and unscrew 2 Phillips head screws.
Then to remove the valve from the gas pipe, there's 1 screw underneath that needs to be unscrewed.
Unclip electrical plug. If the grill is not lighting, first thing to do is clean the point and make sure there is no debris and no grease on it. If that does not work, check the wire and see if wire is broken or damaged. If that does not work, change valve assembly.
There's only one screw, and there's a bracket. So there's a bracket and a screw which holds the valve assembly onto the pipe. Pop the valve out. This is where the black pipe connects to the gas. It's got a rubber washer which seals the gas in. And then when you're putting the screw back in, this screw goes on over the pipe and you screw it back up. Make sure that that screw is a tight fit, because this is where you don't want gas to leak out of it. I think sometimes when barbecues have caught on fire, this rubber seal has kind of got damaged for whatever reason. Then gas leaks from there, and then it'll catch fire there and kind of cause a heat fire inside where this manifold is. This is where the gas comes out. There's a tiny little hole here. It's called an orifice. Sometimes that gets clogged with a piece of grease or dirt or something, then the gas won't come out. So if the gas is not coming out of there, take a pin or something thin, a hair clip or something, and just make sure that that hole is cleaned out. I've had a couple. So when you're turning the gas knob to check it, once you click it, there'll be a spark that shoots off that little point there. What happens is gas comes out of this line and ignites. Then that's the gas that ignites the gas coming out of the orifice. Ready? To install the valve, a new valve or one that you've taken out to clean, it goes back in on the gas line. Drop it back into place. Make sure that you get it into that gas valve and the gas pipe, because if they don't seat correctly, that's where you can get a leak from occurring. Sometimes you have to kind of move the pipe away a little bit, but there we go. Make sure that it's nice and snug. Then you take the bracket that it comes with. It clips on behind the gas valve and over the gas pipe, and then it's ready for the screw. Make sure if you do this that you would screw the screw nice and tight so that you don't get any gas leaking around that flange over there.